Hello, everyone, and welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, your NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. I'm in a closet here. We've got shelves, we've got blankets, wrapping paper. Look at that incandescent pull chain fixture right there. A few violations. That fixture is a violation of 410.16. This panel board does not comply with the working space requirements of 110.26. And then as far as 240.24a, they're not readily accessible because I got to move all this stuff out of the way. And then 240.24d prohibits overcurrent devices from being located in the vicinity of easily ignitable material like this Christmas wrapping paper. And then these blankets is a really tough spot to be in and try to work safely. Between all the obstacles that I have to move and then the shelves that I have to duck, pretty dangerous.